At Australian Training Products, quality is more than checking boxes. It's about our highly skilled team protecting the reputation of your institution and the learning experiences you deliver to your students. Our quality assurance service, Quality Counts, offers comprehensive and hands-on analysis and assessment against national training package standards, delivering trusted and tested results. Key checkpoints of the service include quality. Do the materials meet the required specifications? And does the product meet the needs of the learner and the assessor? Authenticity. Does it contain unintentional plagiarism? And have the information sources been attributed correctly? Syntax. Does it flow properly? Is the correct grammar and language used? And finally, the Australian Qualifications Framework, making sure the language is pitched at the correct level for the learner. And every single step of the process is overseen by our experienced in-house team of experts. Quality Counts, the benchmark quality assurance review service for your training organisation. Talk to one of our team today.